A new set of images that show the incoming smartphone unboxed or in the process of being packaged up have shown the Google Pixel 8 Pro once again. The Pixel 8 Pro is shown from every aspect, and there is also a glimpse at the packaging and accessories for Google's 2023 top smartphone. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has seen yet another image-related leak only a few days after making an appearance in a few hands-on images. The Pixel 8 Pro is evidently in a factory environment receiving a last quality check and clean before being sealed within its packaging in a sequence of photos that may be referred to as unboxing images but really look to be more appropriately pre-boxing views. A Google Pixel 8 Pro in obsidian black and what looks to be another gadget dressed in porcelain suggests that at least two devices are seen here. The images, which are not very well done, show the phone together with the usual USB-C connection, charger, and what Google refers to as the quick switch adapter. This most recent picture leak also shows the matte back of the Pixel 8 Pro. With its unique camera bar, the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which will feature the Google Tensor G3 SoC and is anticipated to cost approximately $899, undoubtedly resembles a normal member of the Pixel family. However, there will probably be a few more leaks before the Pixel 8 series is officially shown on October 4th. Unfortunately, the Pixel 8 Pro unboxing images don't actually offer much more than what is previously known. A 6.7-inch 120Hz Super AQUA screen is allegedly included on the Pixel 8 Pro. In order to keep its title as the finest smartphone camera, it will feature a new 48MP ultra-wide camera, a larger 4,950 mAh battery and a 27W charging speed are possible features. The new Tensor G3 processor is expected to power both Pixel 8 variants, which will get 7 years of Google support. According to reports, the devices will be unveiled on October 4th together with the second Pixel Watch and will go on sale on October 12th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.